Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 8 September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, which government has rolled out iRakhwali app? Bihar, Punjab, option C Odisha, option D Assam. The correct answer here is Punjab. Option B is correct here. Recently, Punjab government has rolled out iRakhwali app to ensure greenery and to protect environment of Punjab. To protect environment of Punjab, Punjab government has rolled out iRakhwali app. Okay. Punjab is in news. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Chief Minister is Captain Amarendra Singh, and BP Singh Badnoor is the Governor of Punjab. Okay. Our second question was, which is the second largest road network of world? China, Brazil, India, or USA? The correct answer here is India. Option C is correct here. Our country India has now the second largest road network of the world. Okay, and USA is in first position. USA is in first position, India is in second position, and China is in third position. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who has announced the schedule for IPL 2020? ICC, BCCI, option C MHA, option D none of these. The correct answer here is BCCI. Option B is correct here. Board of Control for Cricket in India. Abbreviation of BCCI is Board of Control for Cricket in India recently announced the schedule for IPL 2020, and IPL 2020 is going to be held in UAE. It is going to be held in UAE. Okay, BCCI is in news. The headquarters of the BCCI is situated in Mumbai. It is founded in 1928. The president is Sourav Ganguly. President of BCCI is Sourav Ganguly. Okay, and remember the abbreviation is Board of Control for Cricket in India. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Where 10-week anti-dengue campaign recently started? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, option D Chennai. The correct answer here is Delhi. Option A is correct here. The Delhi government has started in 10-week anti-dengue campaign on 6 September. This is started from 6 September. Okay. It is known as 10 हफ्ते 10 बजे 10 मिनट. The tagline of this campaign is 10 हफ्ते 10 बजे 10 मिनट. This campaign seek to build awareness about the prevention of the vector-borne diseases. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. WhatsApp has announced a strategic partnership with whom? Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, option D CPF. The correct answer here is CPF. Option D is correct here. What is CPF? Abbreviation is Cyber Peace Foundation. CPF is Cyber Peace Foundation. WhatsApp has announced a strategic partnership with CPF with the aim to create awareness on cyber safety among students. It is announced for the strategic partnership with CPF. The basic purpose of this partnership is to safety among students, cyber safety among students. Okay. WhatsApp is in news. It is founded in 2009. WhatsApp is founded in 2009, and CEO of the WhatsApp is Jan Koum. Jan Koum, Koum, Koum is the CEO of WhatsApp. Okay. Question number 4. Ian Bell announced his retirement. He belongs to which sports? Football, cricket, baseball, option D tennis. The correct answer here is option B cricket. England batsman Ian Bell announced his retirement. He played his last international game in 2015. He played his last international game in 2015, and he belongs to England cricket team. He recently announced his retirement. You can see the image of Ian Bell here. he recently announced his retirement. Okay. Question number 5. When International Day of Clean Air for Blue Sky is observed? 5th September, on 6th September, 7th September, 8th September. The correct answer here is 7th September. Option C is correct here. On 7th September, International Day of Clean Air for Blue Sky is being held. Okay, it is first observed in 2019. It is first observed in 2019, and the aim to bring awareness that clean air is very much important for health, productivity, and economy. Okay, to ensure the importance of the clean air, where it is very much important for our health, productivity, and economy, this day is observed. Okay. Next question. FADA has announced whom as its new president? Vinkesh Gulati, Raj Srivastava, Rajiv Kumar, C.B. Judge. The correct answer here is Vinkesh Gulati. Option A is correct here. Vinkesh Gulati. What is the abbreviation of FADA? Federation of Automobile Dealers Association. Federation of Automobiles Dealers Association. Vinkesh Gulati is appointed as the new president of Federation of Automobile Dealers Association recently, and Gulati became the 35th president from 2020 to 2022. From 2020 to 2022, and he is the 35th president of FADA. It is the headquarters is situated in New Delhi. Headquarters of the FADA is situated in New Delhi, and it is founded in 1964. On 1964, FADA is founded. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 7. Who has launched a Sparrow system for administrative service officer? Narendra Modi, Manoj Sinha, option C Rajnath Singh, option D Ramnath Kovind. The correct answer here is Manoj Sinha. Option B is correct here. The Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, has announced a Sparrow system for Administrative Service Officer of Jammu and Kashmir. The abbreviation of the Sparrow, listen carefully, that Smart Performance Appraisal Report Recording Online Window. Okay, the abbreviation of the Sparrow is Smart Performance Appraisal Report Recording Online Window is the abbreviation of the Sparrow, and this launched for the Administrative Service Officer. Okay, and Manoj Sinha, the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, recently launched this. Okay, question number 8. Who has announced its new brand and logo named VI? Vodafone Idea, Reliance, option C Airtel, option D Jio. The correct answer here is Vodafone Idea. Option A is correct here. Recently, Vodafone Idea has announced its new unified brand, identify a new name and logo VI. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who chaired the 35th FAO Regional Conference for Asia and Pacific 2020? Italy, Bhutan, India, option D Nepal. The correct answer here is Bhutan. Option B is correct here. Recently, the 35th session of the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization Regional Conference for Asia and the Pacific was held virtually, and Bhutan hosted and chaired the meeting. Bhutan hosted and chaired the meeting. Okay. Next question. Johnny Bakshi passed away. He was related to which field? Sports, journalism, producer, director, option D none of these. The correct answer here is producer and director. Okay, producer and director Johnny Bakshi recently passed away. He has directed film like Daku or Police, Khudai in 1994. Okay, so he was very much famous for his film direction and production. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, which city is announced as First World War II Heritage City? Okay, our second question is, Pank Lavasal Festival is observed in which state? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay, thank you those who regularly answered in the comment section. Thank you for the students. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Okay, and those who first visit educational wing, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing it, press the bell icon. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.